Okay, so I am going to be doing a review over Piktochart. Kind of funny story, when I chose to do Piktochart, I did not know that Piktochart was one of the tech tools that we could do the presentation on. So I'm going to do kind of a weird little thing where I describe Piktochart while using Piktochart as in my presentation program. Um, so as you can see, this is the home page to Piktochart. You can start for free, watch some demos, sign in, log in. I'm just going to hit log in. I should already be logged in. And then here is kind of your dashboard. You can look at some infographics, some just pre-made templates that you can choose from, or you can create your own. There's quite a few templates for the free version, and this is the free version that we're looking at here. There's presentations, and then there's printables. I will go back to my dashboard. However, you can also hit create new up here. You can do folders and stuff like that. So I will hit edit on here so that I can show you some of the things that you can do with it. So this is actually my presentation that I made with the video going to be going here. But over here is where everything is that you can do with Piktochart. You can put in some graphics like shapes and icons, all kinds of different things, lines. You can insert photos. They have a bunch of default pictures that you can choose from, or you can even click here to do your own photo, which also you can hit. Oh, you can put frames on photos. Do some nice things here. Uploads is where you add your own images. You can change the backgrounds. You can use a bunch of different backgrounds. They have a lot of presets. You can change the opacity and the color scheme kind of. And then here's your text boxes. You have different default sizes of text for your title, subtitle, and then just normal body text. Now these are just preset things. You can change them in here. Like a lot of times I would use one and then I would change the size of the font and the bolding and whatnot. There's also text frames, which I think are pretty cool, which give you the option of kind of customizing your text. They have a lot of presets and stuff in here. Lots and lots of presets for text frames. I won't show you every single one of those. And then you can also change the color scheme of the whole thing. And some other tools. You can insert charts, insert maps, videos like I'm going to be doing. Videos do have to be inserted based on URL, so I'll have to upload to YouTube to insert a video, or like Vimeo. I can't just save a video on my computer and upload it, which, I mean, I would like to be able to do it just with an upload, but this will work fine. And then you can insert charts, and there's a bunch of different things that you can do with the charts. You can make bunch of different kinds of charts, and over here is kind of an Excel spreadsheet style place where you can put in your different data points. And that is, I mean, really it. I mean, it's a nice tool. It's probably not as nice as like a Microsoft PowerPoint or anything like that. But being a Butler student, we get PowerPoint for free, which most people don't. And PowerPoint is, or I guess Microsoft Office in general is pretty darn expensive. So it's not a bad presentation tool for people who don't have access to things like Microsoft PowerPoint. Google Slides is also free, but I've only used Google Slides I think once, and it's not great. I don't know if I would say it's better than Piktochart or worse. That's just kind of up to opinion. But Piktochart definitely has, I think the best part about it is it has so many pre-made, like this is based off of a template that they had, and it was way longer than this. And they're just pre-made presentation templates, which you can just kind of fill in your own information, which is really nice. It makes it pretty without you having to do all the work, because I've kind of fiddled around with it, and it's hard to make it look this nice without the different templates. So that is kind of my video tutorial of Piktochart.